is what we call Openhack, where we invite developers and engineers from our partners. It's hands-on coding with Microsoft engineers solving real-world problems. And these challenges are designed to reflect the challenges that enterprises are going through on a day in and day out basis in an effort to achieving digital transformation.
My role is actually being a coach, guiding them through the challenges, showing them the ropes and how they could use some of these tools to bring back to their workplace.
We started with some out-of-the-box image recognition technologies, the custom vision by Microsoft, and now we're moving on to more customized models. At the Openhack, we get given real data for real problems, and that really gets us thrown into the deep end to get our hands dirty.
Great opportunity to work with the community and clients. They use these learnings in their organization and they will benefit from the content that we provide at Openhack.
It's a lot of fun. Enjoy the camaraderie and have fun solving these problems. Let's hack.